Week 7. Are all acids dangerous? It is possible to test a solution to see if it is an acid. One way to do this is to use an indicator. An indicator is a chemical that changes colour when it comes into contact with an acid or an alkali. One indicator that can be used is called litmus. Litmus can be a liquid or it can be in the form of a paper. In its paper form it comes in two colours, red and blue. Blue and red litmus paper in acid, blue and red litmus paper in water, neutral, blue and red litmus paper in alkali. If red litmus comes into contact with an acid, it stays red. If blue litmus comes into contact with an acid, it turns red. If red litmus comes into contact with an alkali, it turns blue. If blue litmus comes into contact with an alkali, it stays blue. There are another group of solutions that are neither acidic or alkaline. They are neutral. Water is neutral. If red litmus comes into contact with a neutral solution or water, it stays red. If blue litmus comes into contact with a neutral solution or water, it stays blue. It is only by using both red and blue litmus that it is possible to decide if a solution is acidic, alkaline, or neutral. Litmus can only be used to tell if a solution is acidic, alkaline, or neutral. It cannot be used to find out how acidic or alkaline a solution is. To find this out, there is another indicator that can be used. It is called universal indicator, or UI for short. The acidity or alkalinity of a solution is measured using the pH scale. If a material has a lower pH, then it is more acidic. If a material has a higher pH, then it is more alkaline. If a material has a pH of 7, then it is neutral. The colour of universal indicator can be used to determine the pH of a material. There are many everyday materials that are acids. These include vinegar and lemon juice. These materials are clearly harmless, but they would sting if you got some in your eyes. There are also many everyday materials that are alkalis. These include soap and washing powder. These materials would also hurt if you got them in your eyes. In fact, if you were to get washing powder in your eyes, you would probably need medical treatment.